is Turnso, and today I'm going to be showing you all my squishies. And I have yummy biscuity candies. They come in red, blue, and green.
Ooh. You can say sound effects by my mom.
Okay, that's weird.
Mom's doing the sound effects.
Yes.
The crowd goes wild. Woo! All right, we better get going with the squishy show. We got lots to show today.
We have this back piece of bread. Turn it around, and you have a chocolate-faced bread.
He is cute, and
Cover
he
my face.
smells good, doesn't he? Smell him, Trina. Let everybody know. What's he smell like?
Popcorn.
Popcorn? I thought he smelled like chocolate.
I smell like popcorn, everybody. Meow.
Look
Here's
at
my face.
look at this cute one we got.
Next dip. Yeah, we're in the big categories.
We got big and
So
little.
yeah, now we're in the
Today.
big category. Here's the next one. Hi, everybody.
Very cute, right?
I have a
Look
bow,
at that bow. Yeah.
and I'm zooming in.
All right. Next, we don't want to make it too long a video. We got lots to show here. I mean, look at this bucket full we got to get through. Ooh, whole bucket full.
So, I'm a little donut. Ooh, I'm
Okay,
gonna
show
find
them
the
how
camera.
squishy. And what's that one smell like? Does it smell good?
Smells like donuts with sprinkles.
And look at this cute guy coming in.
Wow, he's so cute. Welcome. Hey, I'm a chocolate bar seat. And I can walk up to the camera like this.
So cute, so cute.
Here's a close-up of my face. That's very small.
No, wait. All right.
Here's one that I have made.
Ooh,
It's
homemade.
supposed to be a cookie. And it's squishy and it's made out of sponge. There's a pink chocolate chip because it's a cookie.
Ooh. Because who do we like? Cookie Swirl C.
Yes.
Yes.
We love
Hopefully
your
she
videos.
will. Yeah, hopefully she'll watch the Trina
We
show.
love your videos, Cookie
Right.
Swirl-C.
All right. Here we go. And Dr. Squish, right?
Oh, yeah.
Can't forget about Dr. Squish.
We love your videos, too. And Wendy, give a big thumbs up to her show.
Yes.
Hey, everybody, I
cute.
lost my ear.
Oh.
Eh.
But he's so soft and
What
squishy.
happened to mine?
All right, we're getting down to like the medium size now, it looks like. Unless somebody wants to see.
Mr. Poopy Squishy. His eyes can pop inside out and his mouth. But it's sort of hard to do. I have to do it off camera.
No.
Alright. And now, I popped inside out his eye.
Ooh. Well, here's another brown one
Yes.
from the medium
it's
collection.
a heart Oreo with some starry filling.
It looks good enough to eat.
But it's a heart for my head.
Heart
I
cookie
love
with
you.
strawberry
I
cream.
love you.
Man, all this food now we're going to get into is going to make me hungry. Look
Oh.
at that one, Trina.
My favorite.
I
Snapple
love that
Crackle one.
Sorry, we got the dryer going on in the background,
Oh, yeah.
but that's okay.
That scared
All
me.
right. Hungry.
I have pizza.
Yeah.
Give me that pizza. Boo, 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 boo.
Mm.
Boo. Pizza. Sorry, I'm a little late. I got twisted in the storm.
Look at that cute guy.
Hey, where am I? I'm on YouTube. Help. Oh, everybody. Bye-bye.
This one?
Oh, yeah. Meow, 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 meow. Wow. Hi, everybody. Where are you?
You want some spaghetti, man?
Oh,
Oh, he made a mess. That's okay.
Yummy. Bye-bye.
Man, I'm getting hungry.
This one smells like popcorn. Popcorn? I said popcorn. Oh, you guys are gonna want to see this one.
Oh, yes.
Somebody that likes my shows never sent to me. You know who did. Smash that like button if you send this in.
Yes, because Trina loves her fan mail, so keep
we're
the
gonna
fan
try-
mail coming,
And
please.
we're gonna try to get to 100,000 likes today.
Yes, so please like this video. Trina is really wanting to get a bunch of likes. Okay? Yes, and please keep sending that fan mail. We love it.
Somewhere up in the rainbows, the sky is blue.
Ah.
Hey, what
The
happened?
one-eyed monster.
Oh, hello, everybody. Hi. So nice to see you. I have one little leg, two little legs, three little legs.
Yeah.
And I'm a one-eyed alien. Blah, 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 blah.
How cute.
I read. Meow, 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 meow. Hey, everybody. I'm a cake. You can see I'm a Shopkin. Here's my ceiling. Here's my whipped cream. And here's my squishiness. Ah. So now we're in the tiny category almost.
Well, I got you some nom-noms out. I know you have a bunch of them, but here's a couple if you like to share with those.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I have to go get the other ones. I'll be right back. I'm back. What's up? Here's my next squishy. Hey, Mr. Pig. Whoa, you can't see me. Let's get closer.
Not too close. Don't
Here's
scoot
my-
it back and then they can see it better.
Okay, you can't see me. Here I am.
Yeah, and that's when you put slime in, right?
Then when you squeeze me with the outside, it comes out of my piggy nose. There you can see me. I have
Speaking
slime
of
outside.
pig, I'm going to hold the phone up with your new little pig holder. I forgot
It's a
about that.
dog.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thought it was a pink pig.
I can scoot up closer.
Oh, maybe that one.
Whoa, okay, that's crazy. Bye-bye. Next step, we have another one of those, and another one of those, but they're emojis this time. And this one has slime stuck in the back of its mouth, as you can see way back there, that red stuff. Sorry about that. And this one does too. That purplish. You see that purple stuff in the back?
Pause it.
Alright, bye-bye. I'm back and I eat some of this. Oh, I spit it out. Blah, blah, blah. Bye.
Bye.
Next up, we have Mrs. Sushi. Hey, I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Squeeze me down to the middle. Bye-bye. Wait, you didn't get to see my... That's good. Oh, hey. Ah.
I like the skeleton. He wants some candy. He says, give me some candy.
Open my dick. Oh, give me this.
All right. I'll be back. Oh.
Whoa, are you okay? That was a real good sound effect. Wow, if I ding the bell, that would be a good sound effect. If I had a bell squishy that was acting like I was dinging it, that would have been good. Bing, bing, bong. Bye-bye.
Look, cutesy. That's all your squishies.
Brain. I am a floppy brain. I cannot show you how to squish this because it has a hole in it. So, if you don't mind, I'm Mr. Brain. Bye-bye, Juju. I'm splattering water on the table. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Sorry about that. So, yes. Sorry about that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry about that, fellas. I'm Mr. Floppy Face. And I'm a kissy heart eye emoji with a body. Sorry, guys, I have a cold. Boo-hoo. So, yeah. Anime. got done with my so yeah. Help me with my future. Oh no. Sorry about that. Alright. This is me again. Bye bye. Okay, goodbye. Next we have Mr. Ladybug. Hey everybody. Oh no, you can't see me. Hey. Hey everybody. Well, make sure to smash her like button for real and subscribe to the channel, right? 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 Yes. Subscribe! And I might be giving you a giveaway. I'm not sure because we don't really have stuff to give away yet. It is brand new. Yeah. So, bye-bye, Mr. Ladybug. Now we have
And I'm gonna let you finish the show, honey, because I'm gonna frost our cake, okay?
Alright.
Making a delicious strawberry cake.
That makes me hungry. We just showed a squishy cake.
I told you show me all these squishies.
I'm a lip
making
gloss
my
num See? There's a little walnut inside the popcorn. This might be a popcorn kernel. Sorry about that. Bye-bye. See this? I am the hamburger num num. And I like to eat hamburgers. As you can see, I am a hamburger myself. Sorry, you can't see that.
Look, Kitty.
Alright, yeah, that's me. Here's the light, and yeah. Bye-bye. I am some macaroni and cheese. Let's have bows in my hair. So yeah, and in a blue container. And yeah, bye-bye. Hello, I'm a light num num.
Smells good though.
What? Okay, sorry. I'm a light num num, and if you do this on my back, I light up. The secret behind this trick is that I have a num num friend. When you push on her bow, she lights up. So I just have to go on top of her. Sorry, I'm super clear, so I'm hard to see without her under me. So yeah. Here we go. Bye-bye. That's all I want to show for that. Next up, we have some little squishies. Some little tiny ones. Sorry about that. My squishies I piled up over here have fallen. And yeah. So first up, for the little category, we have this little tropical guy. It's a popsicle. It is very squishy. These are the smallest squishies ever been saw in the world. Like, you know, that one with Kwai bread and stuff. Yeah. This one has flowers. Popsicle stick is also squishy. You're supposed to have balls hanging on there, but we don't have one. Next little one, we have a little white poop, or whatever this is. I call it a poop. With a cherry on top.
There, I want to see poop with cherry on top. Oh,
yeah. And this one has a ball chain. As you can see, here's his little face, and there's a little cherry. Next, for the last, say hello to Mr. Donut. If you don't know where he's at, there he is. Hello, Mr. Guys. Hey. Hi. What are you doing? So I was just thinking, why don't we have a party? Do some fun. So yeah, let's go. Bye.